can let go. Nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow. Shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus. I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. I'm tired but still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live.
Hello everyone. So ito guys ang aming Christmas party. Look at the food. Ayan. Tatakpan. So ayan yung ating chopper. Chop boy. Look. Siya yung nagcha-chop ng lechon. So what a food.
This is our Christmas party this year.
So ayan, may Peppa Pig kami guys.
May tagit ba yung rice, Mars?
I-join muna natin bago ang live. So ayan guys, ang dami namin food. Ako na nag-chop ng mga gulay. Ay, prutas. Okay lang ba guys? Sana. So ayan yung suman. Shoutout sa suman. Di ako nakakagat. So ito naman yung mga desserts na gawa ni Lee. Ayan, super tamis. Ayan, leche flan, cassava, cake, mga puto. Kasi meron kaming dinuguan. So ayan, may maha blanca. Ayan, lechon, pansit, chicken with cream, at saka prito, fried, spaghetti, apritada, name it. Super dami. So, ayan. Masaya naman ang aming Christmas party ng mga friends. So, nagtulong-tulong lang kami pagdating sa food. Ayan, luto yun na isang BGM yung spaghetti na fried chicken, pansit, at saka yung chicken with cream. Ayan. So, ayan. Malapit na mag-start ang kainan, guys. Sorry. Kunti pa yung tao. So, iyan pa lang yung ating mga bisita.
At maraming salamat po dahil po binigay niyo po kami lahat ng lakas na mga presensya na makapaganda po ng mga masarap na pagkain. Sana po Jesus ay magsibing lakas ka sa loob ito sa amin lahat. Panabayan gawin niyo po lahat mahal namin sa buhay. Ito po lahat ay sa-celebrate na namin para sa inyong kaarawan. Sa inyong kaarawan ng Pasko at para po sa amin lahat ay magkasama-sama po pagmamahalan niyo po.
Lechon. There's lechon.
Merry Christmas.
Dadating daw.
And yung may mga kids gifts. We have games for kids, then games for adults.
Ayan, hello Santa! So, ito yung cake. Matasawa sa sabi. Sana all.
Rafa! Come on! Ready to eat it! Ready to eat it!
Remember to touch the next one. Touch the next one. Okay, touch the next one. Okay, let's go.
Hallelujah.